Hello there and welcome to another LightWave tutorial. Today we're going to be doing something really simple. I seem to be on a bit of a run at the minute with these really short tip and trick videos. That sounds really weird without saying tips and tricks, although it is technically correct because there is only one tip and only one trick being shown. So I am technically correct, which of course, as we all know, is the best kind of correct. So I'm going to create a default disk. Just like this, run it through the y-axis, so that it points straight up. Make it default, hit A on the keyboard to bring it in shot fully, and I'm going to select polygon mode and then click the top of the polygon and I'm going to delete it, because in this video I'm going to be fixing geometry. I've probably given this the title of this video something really basic, like how to fix a broken object, because that's how I would have typed it into YouTube several months ago. And not everybody may know what fixed geometry means, so I'm going to put both in the title probably. So let's say we've got this object broken here. It seems to be broken, it seems to be missing the top, and obviously it is. This object is, would not recommend using it for UV texturing. So how do we fix it? Well, that's really simple. So to fix it, go to point mode, select all of the points at the end of the object. Now these are the points which of course relate to the missing polygon at the top, and then hit P on the keyboard, which makes it a fixed polygon. So that's back to normal. I would show you where the command is in the UI of LightWave, but because I use keyboard shortcuts so much, I actually don't know where the actual key is inside the UI of LightWave. It is in here somewhere. I know it is, because it has to be, because it's a computer program and that's what computer programs do, but I just don't know where exactly it is. Anyway, it's P on the keyboard. I'm sure I may put on screen where
Go to create polygons and make polygons.
it is, because LightWave has tons of documents on the website, which is really interesting and useful. Anyway, that is really simple, quick video on how to fix an object or how to fix geometry in LightWave. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Goodbye.